Y'all don't mind me put y'all on YouTube? What the? I must be sweating. Okay. They got the Lucami, y'all. I never had it before. With they got some fried dough with nuts.
It's fried dough with honey, walnuts, and cinnamon.
Ooh.
So it's like a fried donut. It's called the lukumagas.
You guys take cards?
Yes, we do take cards.
Okay.
Cards, anything.
Okay, I'm gonna get one. Okay, y'all. We about to try the Lucamafes. Okay, y'all. And I'm probably gonna get something to drink as well. Yeah. I'm gonna let y'all know how it tastes. You know. So it's a ball type of thing. It's I guess I'll get a drink as well.
It's just $8.
It's $8, y'all. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks.
Just tap it in the middle or insert it if you need to.
Okay. Boom. Okay, can't show y'all my card.
You're good.
Okay. Yeah, y'all. I got myself a drink. The Minute Maid lemonade. And there it goes. Okay. You about to taste it. y'all. Okay.
Yeah, you gotta soak it into the honey. There you go.
It's warm, y'all.
It's good?
Mm-hmm. It tastes very cinnamon-like. Mama,
We got napkins for you over on the table.
And forks.
thank you. Y'all, I give them 8.5. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Enjoy them.
Okay. It ain't bad. It's like a cinnamon, you know, the walnuts and everything that hit it right with the honey. But, you know, we're going to eat this, boom. And we're going to grab a few napkins. Boom, make sure I got my card. Don't want to forget my card right there. And hit that down with a drink.
One order.
We're going to go over there and sit down for a while. We're going to eat this. Then we're going to get right back on. See you when I see you.